And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is Thursday, September 1st, 2022. It's exactly 6:04 p.m. and we're here at the Montreal West Train Station, or Gare Montréal-Ouest. I tried to pronounce that in French as best I could. And this, of course, is in the Montreal West area of Montreal, near NDG, Côte St. Luc, around that area. And I'm here because they're doing some renovations, some construction actually. And I'm sure a couple of my YouTube viewers out there and transit fans in general, or commuters in general, have probably passed through this station, or at least seen this station, and maybe even used this station regularly. So I just wanted to make a video. I'm going to do a walk around just of the local area of where this station's located. Very nice area, by the way, and focus on the construction that's going on. So this construction will be basically involving making this tunnel here and reconstructing, I guess, the foundation. There's a whole bunch of things going on here, and this project will be completed in summer of next year, 2023. And of course, here is the line that I just took, the Saint-Jérôme line, and you can see it branches off up there and over here. These platforms, that's the, I believe, Vaudreuil-Hudson line, and also the Candiac line. So we'll walk around here, and we actually have a train coming now. Maybe we'll, yeah, this looks like it's one of the other lines. And this is quite a large platform. As you can see, it starts down there facing to the east, and it goes all the way down here, way down. I believe that's Westminster Street. So we'll walk around here, see what we could see. Nice, yeah, we got a multi-level coming in. So these stairs obviously are the path to enter and exit. And we'll see if we can see anything going on here construction-wise on the street. Actually, I'm going to get a view here of this train pulling in before I walk around, so I don't miss that opportunity. As it is approaching, you can hear that bell. Could be the Vaudreuil-Hudson, the Vaudreuil-Hudson line. Multi-level. Actually, that's the Candiac line. That's, of course, the line that the Comet trains were on. 700 series, recently retired. Maybe we'll get a view here of the locomotive. Yeah, there it is. Oh, we got two of them. Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. We got two locomotives. Some fellow transit fans were saying this. At 1322 and 1320. Beautiful. So I'll definitely be sharing that picture. So yeah, we'll continue up here where we were. I'm glad that I came here because I got that rare sight there. So as you hear those trains powering up, they're going to be leaving. So of course, this was a video that I was working on for the construction project going on, which I'm still going to do, but got a nice little bonus here. I might actually do a separate video where I cut this section out. And you can see those beautiful two locomotives. Maybe there's a fellow YouTuber there as well. Who knows? But anyways, yeah, rare sight to see those, at least a few times I've taken trains. So anyways, we're going here now to I forget which street this is. Is this Sherbrooke or de Maisonneuve, or oh, this is I think Sherbrooke. Yeah, so here's a nice view of that construction going on that I mentioned. So you can see that tunnel being worked on, which will allow commuters to safely go to the other side, the other platform. And yeah, we're gonna walk up here westward here on Sherbrooke Street, or we're gonna head to the other part of this platform and also see, I think, the Westminster rail crossings coming up. Nice little church here. Very beautiful area. Yeah, so we're in Montreal West. This is the area that we're in right now, the territory. Well, we've got an ambulance coming by here. Another piece of video I'll be editing out. Well, not editing out, but copying to my emergency response compilation video. So yeah, here's another view of the Montreal West platform. The western part of it. Like I said, very large station. And we'll cross over here onto the sidewalk. And yeah, I also wanted to show you this. There's a nice train station down. Well, it's basically used to be a train station right there. It still, I guess, technically is a train station. I'm talking about the actual building, the structure there. That old style train station building. Yep. Yeah, so you can see this is Westminster coming up. Very cool day today. And definitely you can tell September is here, and I want to make the most of the decent days that are left before winter comes. And I'll keep filming up until this rail crossing here. Look, there you go, you got some autumn leaves already, and you know, I'm sensing we're going to get some good foliage this year, some good fall foliage. And there's another old building I want to show you up here as well, coming up in the corner. You can kind of see it from here. And you can tell this is a very old area. I'm debating getting on the 123 after, heading to LaSalle. Look at these old-fashioned streetlights. Very cool. Very beautiful. Yeah, so here's, this is Westminster Street, which runs north to south. There's Côte St. Luc in that direction towards the north. And this is Montreal West here. And what I'll do is I'll walk across here and I'll show you the view facing the actual platforms to give you a better perspective and give you an idea of what it's like here. And take a look at this old building over here. Really cool to see. Alright, thank you all for watching, and as always, more videos to come. Have a good night all.